Guys. It's gonna be the first video of a long lecture series. It's basically for my artificial intelligence lab, and we're covering the basics of Python for the first weeks. So we're gonna dive directly into it. So we can choose two methods. We can code offline or online. So for now, I'm gonna show you the easiest way how you can code online. Like just search Google Colab and go to Colab, and then as Colab loads. So let's say I create a new notebook. Okay, so it's gonna completely open as empty, and when it gets here, so I have Gemini AI Plus, so it's just showing there. So when we get here, we get a window like this, where the left side is like the table of contents, and then you have find and replace, files, and data explorer and everything. So you can just this is a secret. So basically, if you want to add your Gemini or any kind of API keys, you can keep here. But for now, we are gonna work in this portion of the right portion, right? So we can add two different blocks here, like code blocks or text blocks. Text blocks are basically for captioning, annotating your the following blocks. Like suppose you want to make a section where um, you're gonna chain multiple blocks together for a specific task. So and the runtime has already been connected. So basically it connects to CPU for the first time, but you can also connect to a different runtime. You can just change the runtime type if you need your GPU access, like the T4 GPU or something like that. So let's create a code. Let's create a text for now. Like oh wait, my bad. So let's say it's like a Python coding platform. Okay, so for that, what do we have? Sorry, my bad. Okay, for that, like we have the first thing as Google Colab, which is like online. So whenever you are writing or annotating something, you can see the for the demo output in the right side. It already shows. Uh, so for offline purpose, you can use Anaconda full version offline. Like you can just Google it and you're gonna get it. And just watch a 5 minute video of how to set up Anaconda or something like that. For IDEs, like you can use VS Code, which is very popular. In my university lab, I used to use PyCharm a lot because PyCharm is very Python friendly. I mean, it's built for Python. So you can use Spider, which is you'll get Spider and Jupyter notebook in when you install Anaconda. Like I think that there's an opener launcher or something like that for Anaconda. I'm not entirely sure, but there you might find Spider and Jupyter notebook and everything. Okay, so what is Google Colab? Let's see. So what is actually Google Colab? So Google Colab is basically like sorry. Google Colab is basically it's like a collaboratory or collab for short, which is like is a product of Google Research, uh, which is a product of Google Research. It allows anyone to write and execute arbitrary Python code throughout the browser, and is specifically well suited for like ML, data analytics, or educational purpose. So for Google Colab setup, you can use a 5 minute video or something like that. Like, let me add it up to so Google Colab setup. After that, I can just use a link. Let me see. I think I have it somewhere with me. Yeah. So okay, never mind. Give me a moment. Yeah, I think that's it, right? If I if I copy paste it, yeah, like you can go and like it's a 7 minute video and you can just figure out what you want to do. Okay, so um after that, like let's dive into the code now. The first thing that we learn for every single uh, what is it? Every single language is variable, right? So we're gonna go into the variable part in the next video.